Measurement System Analysis, or MSA, is a systematic assessment of the quality and reliability of the data generated by a measurement system. A measurement system consists of all of the components involved in a measurement process, such as the gauge or measurement instrument, the appraiser, the accessories, the standards, the environment, the assumptions, the methods, and the part being measured.
If a group of parts is measured, the observed data will inevitably have variation.
This can be the result of process variation and measurement variation. Process variation is typically caused by differences in the process parameters and the input of the process. Measurement variation is typically caused by differences that result from the measurement process, including factors such as the reliability of the gauge and methods used by various appraisers. MSA aims to detect, quantify, and reduce variations, which are critical to ensure the reliability and quality of the data. The quality of measured data has a huge impact on process control and product control decisions in industries.
Several methods are used in MSA to study the performance of a measurement system.
The data collected from the study of the measurement system is then analyzed using statistical tools and methods that offer an understanding of various sources of variation. The identification of sources of variations enables organizations to take the necessary corrective actions to reduce and control variations. By efficiently monitoring and minimizing these variations through MSA, manufacturing industries achieve higher product and process quality and overall operational efficiency.